I'm going to make an IMDB sentiment analysis thing, and you can find the whole code by clicking the link in the description below. I have wrote a Medium article for that, and I have explained everything you need to understand in order to build this thing. I will be using the IMDB dataset CSV1, and let's get started. So there will be three files. One, the imdb.py. The second will be Markov chain, and I will be using a Jupyter notebook for that. And the third one will be a naive Bayes classifier, and these are basically for to predict the sentiments and everything. But first of all, let's start with the basics. So you create a new file imdb.py, and